good guard cat. Right, Jet? Keeping an eye on things. Got some weather out here. It's a little nutty. Major blizzard going on. Dad can't even see the barn. Barely see the barn.